Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is all inspired by our greatest and latest Michelle Obama. Okay, let's give a shout out to the first lady. Okay. I don't know about you guys. If you guys have not seen Michelle Obama lately, homegirl has basically she wrote a book, and she's currently on a book tour. She shocked the world with her braids. Okay, homegirl shocked the world with her braids. And when I tell you, I was so like, I love braids already. If you guys don't see those in my videos, like, I love braids. And so I got really inspired. I was like, you know what, I'm looking for another look, which this look I've worn previously before, but I did it a little bit more like Michelle Obama, and I'm gonna show you an easy tip on how you can do that. What I did basically, guys, this hair is crocheted half head. Let me be clear on that. If you guys don't know already, I have shaved sides. So even though you may have shaved sides, this look will still work for you because, like I said, I have shaved sides. Okay, so it will work. So let's get right into it, and I'm gonna show you how I did it. What you would need for this hair is basically, you're gonna need some braiding hair, regular braiding hair. It could be kink alone. They have like the anti-itch or whatnot, whatever it may be. And then also some crochet braids that have like the curls in it. And you can do the deep wave because I believe Michelle Obama's was like deep wave, and I'll show you like the deep wave that I'm saying. Now, even though her braids was deep waves, I mixed mine with like an actual curl so I can get this fullness here. So as you can see here, if I bring both of them here, baby, the hair is full. You see what I mean? Bam, bam. And I'm gonna show you how I did this really easy and quick. It took me, if like the way I work, it took me about 5 hours, but I did split the hours in like 2 days because I move around a lot. I'm always doing something, so I had to kind of start, stop, start, and stop. But it was a total of probably like 5 hours to get this done or whatnot. And this could last you about a month, maybe a month and a half. If you are a braider, you can just like retouch like the front of your hair and then the back. And so I'm gonna show you what I did. All right, y'all, so I'm getting ready to do my crochet braids. I took out some hair in the front because this is all I'm like doing individual braids, and then the back is like this. I've already sewed everything down. So what I'm basically doing, I am braiding all of this because I want it to look realistic. I just don't feel like braiding the whole way. And then I'm braiding this all the way to the back, and then also braiding this side. So what I'm doing right now, my hair has just been so brittle. I don't know why. And I did a highlight treatment on my scalp. But the scalp is good, that's all right. So we're gonna get some coconut oil. That's what I use. And then I love Taraji's products, so I like to use, look, I'm doggone. I gotta give me some more Ride or Die. I love Ride or Die. It's a leave-in detangler. I wanna, we're gonna spray all of that just to soften it up. It was soft yesterday, but it just got brittle again. Don't know why. Okay, so I do not like pulling like my roots. So to comb my hair, I do like I do my son's hair. I twist my hair and just start the end. Yes, nice and soft. I love my hair, so pretty. See, that's just coconut oil. This makes it easier for you to just part. And I'm doing my parts like this. Like, you be having all these different new ways to do stuff. Yeah. There we go. Twist that up. And I could have like did the thing about like using the same crochets for this, like braided and then braided in. We're not doing that. I'm doing real braids in the front. The hair that I'm using, I already took it out, but this is the brand. It's called Innocence. And if you have like the what is this? Like not itch. It don't matter. I soak all my hair with the apple cider vinegar. It's 4 times easy braid, toxic free. Okay. I already soaked it in the vinegar water. So this is how much hair I pretty much get. We're gonna get into it, okay? hair straight. I'm gonna include curly hair at the end, but I'm not doing none of that until the very end. We're gonna just go ahead on and get the braids in, okay? I'm trying to decide if these are too big and if I wanna go smaller, because I need it to match. Yeah, about what? Yep, that's the same braid size. I did good. That's the same braid size. So, yep, I did the right size. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of think I wanted to go a little smaller in the front, but. Alright, now, so she's done. Well, I'm gonna say this. The individual braids are done. I gotta still do the middle part. Just how it's looking so far. And of course, you can see the gaps. I'm not done yet, so don't try it. So we're gonna take that out. This is how she's looking so far. You can see these there because I'm gonna actually do something to the end and I'll show you in a few. Okay guys, so this is where we are with the hair. Everything is fully in. I fix a few pieces. This is how we're looking now. It looks good, but this is how the ends of the hair look. So now I'm going to show you a little process that I'm going to do. This is something I'm trying pretty new on this, which I am going to like basically cut a little bit of these, like trim them. I'm gonna trim it down, and then I'm going to add the curly hair so we can get a little bit more fullness like this. So this could be a little bit more full, okay? All right guys, so this is how we're looking now. And as you can see, is I have most of the curls like in the back and it's pretty full. Show you how this looking. It is pretty full. But as you can see, you see the space there, but we're gonna fill all that in, okay? I'm gonna show you how, because you don't want your ends to be looking like, I have stepped out like this before, because I just ain't finished it, but you don't want your ends to be looking like that. We wanna fix that, okay? And we're gonna do that by trimming and adding in some extra hair. So I just got me some deep wave type of hair, or like curly hair. I pick either or. And it typically comes in, crochet hair is where it comes like that. But what I do is, because I don't want it to be long, I cut it in half. So I'm gonna cut it in half, bam. And then I like it like that because I'm gonna go in and add these little pieces like here, so it could be kind of like layered out. Just suck it in, put it in. Booyah. That's how you do that there, right there. And then I'm gonna do the other one at the bottom. You actually could do these real thin if you want to. I'm gonna try the real thin. It's because when you put all this together, baby, your hair gonna be full as I don't know what. Pull it in, grab it. It's just like you crocheting, but you crocheting through the actual braid, okay? But I wanted to show you the difference of how the hair will look when it's fully, like if you incorporate the curls in it like this. Like this is the side that's fully done, right? And then this side is not. So I'm gonna go in and add that in, and then I'm gonna show you the final results so y'all can get up out of here, okay? Alright guys, this is the finished look. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed, please make sure you give me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, please put them in the comments below. I will put all the information that I mentioned in the description button. And you guys have an awesome and blessed year. Have a great one. Bye-bye.